Hey, I'm excited to share with you some ideas today, but specifically, I've got a new camera. Well, it's my wife's camera, and she doesn't know that I'm using it right now, so shh. This training I'm going to share with you is all about sales and marketing alignment, and more specifically, the psychology of your customer and how you might be able to tap in to some hidden markets, whether it's through your sales messaging or your marketing messaging. And this is a piece of one of the modules that we just put into our sales playbook project program, and there's a link below. There's some early access stuff that we're doing because it's not quite finished, so you get some really cool deals on that. Really what this is about is I'm going to go through the training with you quickly, and then I'm going to share with you a story about how I was able to apply this when I was in private education. And sometimes I'd have weeks where I had 200% conversions because of this. So this is a very important thing for you to wrap your mind around so you can go and do more with less. So let's get going. Okay, we're going to dive into a bit of a big subject here, but I'm going to try and simplify it as quickly as possible. This is the idea that sales and marketing are not separate things really anymore. Your customer goes on a journey with you, and sales and marketing need to be completely in alignment. And here's what I mean by that, is we're all online. We're all digital now. We can get on the phone, we can find stuff out about the products that we want to buy faster than ever before. Salespeople don't have all the answers. Marketing and sales need to do a good job of aligning the customer journey so that we can help them make great decisions. Okay, let's go through some sample numbers for a second and kind of wrap our mind around our audience, okay? Here's what I want you to know. 97% of the people out there aren't looking for what you have. 97%. I'm going to go through this. Write this down. 3, 7, 30, 30, 30. Okay, you got that? 3% of your audience is actively looking for your stuff. Now, they might be saying, okay, I want to draw a picture and I'm looking for pens. Can you send me the different types of pens that you have because I want to draw in pens? That's that 3%. The next one, the 7%, they are open, right? They're the ones that are saying, I'm not sure how I want to draw. Maybe do I want a pencil? Do I want a pen, this kind of pen? Do I want these? Do I want bulk deals? What am I looking for? Because I'm trying to draw and I'm not sure what I want to use. Those people, the 3 and 7%, most of the time are going to be filling out forms on your website. They're going to be inquiring, and they're going to probably have you competing on price against other people because they've been doing their research. This is where it gets interesting. The next 30 are aware that they have a problem. They want to maybe do some drawing. They want to do some stuff, but they're not sure what options. Do I need pens? Do I need paper? How does it work? Can you send me your program information, your calendar? Can you send me your brochure? Can you send me the stuff so I can look at this? And maybe in 6 months, I'll buy something from you, right? I'm just doing my research right now. You ever hear that? Right? Then you've got this next 30 who are not even aware. They're unaware that they have a problem, that there are solutions out there for that problem, and that you even exist. But they do have a problem. So they might be searching, how do I fill my free time? I'm bored and I need to build a hobby. What hobbies are out there? And if we can tap into this thing, drawing is something that anybody could be doing. If you're looking for a new hobby and you want to be able to get creative and use that part of your brain, drawing might be that. Oh, I never thought of that. And they're going to your website. And the last 30% is a no. So don't worry about that one. Those people aren't going to buy no matter what. I often see people trying to sell to this 10% up here when they should be selling to this 67% right there. If you can start to tap your marketing and your sales message to people that aren't really in a place where they were thinking about buying you, and you can get them to go, you have an opportunity to challenge them, to excite them, to influence them, and to get them to take action just to move to the next step of your offer. You see, when you use a contact strategy, when you use a process in place, you don't have to get somebody to take action right now like you do with the 3 to 7% when you're competing very aggressively. When you have people that are unaware or aware and they're thinking longer term, you can accelerate their decision making and you can actually get them on a higher average dollar per sale, and you you can do more non-competitive deals because other people aren't pursuing them. So there's a huge opportunity for you to do this right now and start to think creatively on how to get people to think differently about their world. So the question I want you to ask yourself is this: is there something that you do really well that most people aren't aware of? Or are there people out there that need what you have but don't even know it? Write that down and really think about who are the people that if you could just get them to go, you have a likelihood of getting them to want to talk to you and learn more. We're going to cover this more as we go along, but I really want you to think about that right now. Okay, so I'll give you an example. This goes back to my days when I was working at a private college, and my job was sales, to get people to come in and sign up for programs. And what happened was they would call in or they'd fill out a form online and they'd say, I want information about this product. So if that's happening to you, I want you to pay attention. So they say, I want information about just this product. So they would say, just send me some stuff, or how much is it? And so we'd have to try and, do the judo move to try and get them to do something else. But it's a natural reaction from the customer to say, just tell me what it is. So I started to move away from just being this person with the information to understanding my personal brand is somebody that is all about helping people make decisions on careers. So rather than just trying to solve the immediate problem, we're trying to elevate what the actual challenge is. We're trying to elevate that pain. We're trying to really focus on goals and opportunities and options. And my role became less of a product specialist and more as somebody who was more of a career coach, a career advisor. And that was really where the change came in. And by having the right conversation, it allowed me to start having weeks where I converted at 200%. And how we converted at 200% was somebody would come in to visit me to talk about their goals. And through the right conversation, maybe their parents or the friend that they came in with would say, wait, could I do this as well? Because we switched the conversation from here's the information about the product to here's how we should be thinking about our life and our careers, we started to move people from an unaware state to an aware state to a purchasing state. And this is really, really important as we start to talk about marketing and sales alignment. Rather than a heavy sales approach, you can do something through your social media, through your email marketing, through your welcome series, through everything that you're doing that slows down the hard sell and helps people understand, maybe there's more to this. All right, well, I hope that helped because, this is something that the more I thought about in my career and in my business and in the training that I do with my customers, my clients, it's powerful stuff when you start to think about how do I help elevate the challenges for my customers and speak to them about their specific needs versus what does our product do to solve those needs. And that allows you to lead to your offer rather than with your offer. And so I want you to go and apply this. I want you to put your comments below, go and test this out and really think about how can you separate yourself from your competitors by focusing on the people that might be unaware. You're going to get, less competitive deals. You're going to compete less on price, and you're going to probably increase your average dollar per sale. So go and apply this and let me know how it goes, and we'll talk to you soon. Hey, this is Joe Girard with Change Your Own Chief. Thanks for checking this out. Remember to subscribe and check out some of the other videos and resources we have. As a sales coach, I spend a lot of my time just helping people be less weird and more human with their customers. If we can help you and your high-performing team, reach out to us, let us know, and let's connect soon.